I would have just assumed, no way I would have gotten anything. So I wanted to thank you.
No, we appreciate you growling. A problem with us here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. And be impeccable with your word. Seek to know the truth. When you hear an opinion and believe it, you make an agreement. It becomes part of your belief system. The only thing that can break that agreement is to make a new one based on truth. Only the truth has the power to set you free. That's a fact, baby. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 110. NASDAQ is down 4. S&P's off 11. Gold contract down $12.60, trading at $18.72 an ounce. Silver off 19 cents, $24.46 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 49 cents, $41.92 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year down 3 ticks, 138.06. 30-year flat, 172.18. And King Dollar. King Dollar's down 99 ticks, trading 92.317. The euro is at 118. The yen is at 103.84, and the British pound is at 132 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Well, you get a sideways market out here once again. The SPY's trading out at a price point of down $1. Bottom line, though, the same range we had yesterday. NDX 100, check it out, folks. Tesla is the saver of the NDX 100 once again. Bottom line, you get the Qs up 35 cents right now. If we go over to the NQs, we'll see whether we can get this bounce going. I think this NQ, let's see, we're getting close. Let me see what I think it's 996, I think, that I was looking for here. Let me get this closer. This is going to be pretty cool if you get this bounce, if you're a bear. So let's see. We got, we're here, 998. We're right here. Okay, so this is going to get interesting. What time is it? It's 3:09. Oh, that's good. So 3:09, you're coming into us a little bit more. That's a little bit higher volume, so that's going to bounce a little bit higher. So we're close. 12,000. That's about it. And what this is all about right now, folks, is Tesla. If we go Tesla, check this out, man. Tesla, I mean, this is a rocket ship. And it just followed through out here in a monster way. Right now, you're at 494.18. And bottom line, this has some volume going up into its high. The high out here, last high that was generated is 502. Right now, you're trading out at 492. Yesterday, well, first off, you gapped higher yesterday. 61 million shares. You get 65 million shares today. That's saying that baby's going to end up probably doing 75 million shares. And, that's on the technical basis. On the fundamental basis, folks, there are so many S&P funds that, bottom line, have to own it by December. And, the real question there is that are they buying it now? When are they going to buy it? The bottom line is that this is what happens with an equity that's going into the S&P 500, folks, okay? The bottom line, it's not whether people like a stock, don't like a stock. They have to buy it. That's how it shakes out. The funds that turn around and mimic the S&P 500 have to buy it, okay? So the bottom line is that you're going to have a lot of new buyers inside of that inside of Tesla. And guess what? As long as Tesla is in the S&P, those, they'll get weighted going back and forth. But other than getting weighted, guess what? The bottom line is that they're going to own it. And if we look at Tesla, the amount of shares that are outstanding inside Tesla is 947 million, which is, guess what? That's not a huge amount of shares. Just to give you an idea, like some of these, Cisco is an anomaly, but Cisco, I think, is 4.5 billion or something. Yeah, 4.2 billion. Some outrageous number. Bottom line, that's what you have happening. Gold contract. Gee, we get some real divergence out here. Inside of the gold contract, as well as inside of the equity structures. Now, you have gold. Gold did reject lower price today at 1860. That's the good news. Bottom line is, here's the monster divergence, is that we have gold down. You have the DXY down 110 ticks. The DXY right now is into the lows that were established out here on the 1st of September. My take is that it looks like it wants to break it. But, you know, the doctor's out right now in a big way. Because what has also happened is this. You're going to see some of these equities that inside of the gold market that have broke lower. And bottom line is that, like if we look at Barrick Gold, you know, Barrick Gold is down 69 cents today. Broke a swing, has some volume behind it. It looks like it's going back to fill this gap here, which was at 24.84. We're at 24.68 right now. You know, so we'll see where that baby shakes out. We also have Royal Gold, which is having a tough time holding price. Royal Gold is going after its swing low out there from the 18th of June, which is 112.13, and we're at 112.84. And then when you go on the other side of it, you're going to see it's about a 50-50 deal, the equities that held price, that didn't hold price. You know, if we go over and take a look at Hecla, you're going to see Hecla is down 21 cents, but it's strong. You know, it's contracting in a huge way, meaning you're down with 5 million, you're going into 11 million. I think PAAS was the same way. Yeah, that's pulling back 63 cents, but that is the same type of setup. I mean, you're pulling back with dramatically lighter volume. So we'll see where that shakes out. Now, the 30-year bond, folks, this one's kind of interesting. And what it is this, is that what the 30-year has done this morning is that it came up to where it broke down from. It does have lighter volume as we're going up, but I think this is the first test. I think this baby's going to try to get back inside its higher range again. The breakdown was 173.16. We came up to 173.15 today. I suspect you might back down a little, and it looks to me like this note and bond market wants to jump right back into its higher range, which is pretty wild, man. I mean, it opened it up, it broke it down, and it looks like it's going to go right back in the higher range. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.